Hello, engineers working on new products research and development for early stage prototypes with only one or two units needed. What manufacturing method would you choose? Here we can recommend CNC machining. CNC machining supports a wide range of materials, including ABS, PC, PNA, and more, all compatible with CNC process. For example, the prototype I'm holding here is made from ABS materials. After machining is sand and plate, as you can see, the surface is excellent. Besides, since machining is fast, we can complete your prototype in just a few days. Got questions about rapid prototyping? Draw and comments below. Like and follow for more manufacturing insights.